The cat versus monohull debate isn't wrong, it's incomplete, and that's why so many beginners choose the safer boat and still end up scared, overwhelmed, or making dangerous mistakes. I'll explain what's missing in a minute, but first, let me tell you why this debate keeps trapping people. I've already made a video asking which one is safer to live aboard, and that one you can click on here. I asked which boat is safer. But safety isn't a feature, it's a relationship between you and the boat. It is not something that the person who is selling the boat can look at you and say, here, this boat is safe. They can tell you the safety precautions they took to try to make the boat safe, but nothing really keeps a boat safe. And the thing that feels safe at the dock isn't always the thing that keeps you safe when you mess up offshore. And yes, you will mess up, it's a part of every beginner's life. Here's how the debate usually goes. Cat people say, they're more stable, they don't heel, more space and more comfort. Monohull people say, they self-right, they handle heavy weather better, and they're proven. Both of those are true, and neither of them answers the real big problem in question. Here's what nobody ever tells you. Safety isn't about avoiding danger. It's about how early you feel it. A monohull feels danger building. Heel increases. The weather helm loads up. The boat starts talking. A catamaran stays quiet. It's flat. It makes you feel confident, and quiet can be dangerous if you don't know what is hiding. A monohull complains. It's like a toddler. It groans. It moans. It complains. It leans harder and says, fix this. A catamaran doesn't complain. It just keeps smiling until it doesn't. And here's where it gets really interesting. Most liveaboard accidents don't happen in storms. They happen on normal days. Lazy reefs, crowded anchorages, wind shifts at 2 a.m. Comfort doesn't cause the mistake. It delays the warning. Living aboard means anchoring a lot, and the monohull swings, it dances with the wind. A cat sits wide, more windage, more load on the anchor. Neither is unsafe, but one demands better judgment earlier. And this is where beginners get tricked. They confuse calm with margin. So now you might think, okay, monohulls are safer. Nope, you're still not paying attention. That's still the wrong conclusion, because the debate isn't about boats. It's about how you learn and how safe you are on them, sort of. Monohulls teach you through feedback. Bad trim, you feel it. Too much sail, you feel it. Wrong timing, you really feel it. Catamarans teach you through responsibility. They assume you will reef earlier. Plan ahead. Respect limits before the boat has to remind you. One teaches you by correcting you. The other teaches you by trusting you. If you're new, your fear makes complete sense. Safety is the number one thing people worry about. And the internet loves simple answers. But this boat is safer is a half-truth answer. And half-truths are how beginners get hurt. So here is the real answer. If you need constant feedback, a monohull keeps you honest and it keeps you in line. If you're disciplined and proactive, a catamaran rewards you. It's not about which boat is safer. It's about which boat makes you safer. And yes, I know, that's not a satisfying headline, probably not the reason you even clicked on this video. But the ocean doesn't care about satisfying headlines. It cares about habits. In the next video, I'm going to compile a list together to help beginners to get out on the ocean. If you want to watch that video, subscribe down below and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. If this helped you see the debate differently, hit like and subscribe if you're serious about living aboard. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Peace.